Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the Harbour View Plaza. It's under construction. It's being renovated. So we're just going to take a quick tour, and we're also going to include drone footage in this video. Finally got the drone up and running. So let's tell you what's going on here now. This is one of the busiest plazas in Kingston. It's the busiest plaza in the Harbour View area. So they are renovating it. Now, this plaza follows the formula for a successful plaza. It has a brand name supermarket, which is Shoppers Fair, and straight ahead is the building that Shoppers Fair was in, and it's being torn down, and we have some nice drone footage of what's going on. So they are renovating the plaza, so that is why they have it fenced off, and they're tearing down the building and they're going to build a new building. So you need three things for a successful plaza. You need to build a plaza in a populated area, you need to have a brand name supermarket, and you need to have food stores. Alright, so the brand name supermarket here is Shoppers Fair, and it's being renovated now. It's built in Harbour View, so Harbour View is has one of the largest, what you call it now, populations. And there you can see the plaza being renovated. And they have food stores. This plaza actually has a Tasty, a Burger King, and a KFC. So right away you know the food stuff is covered. So this is just one side of the plaza, and while the plaza is being renovated, the Shoppers Fair actually moved to a smaller store, so they have it up and running while it is being renovated. Okay, so over here now on the left you have the Shoppers Fair. It's a much smaller supermarket than the one that is being built. So this is just one side of the plaza, and you can see some of these shops were already renovated. Let's just show you. On the left, those are already renovated. So we're going to go to the other side of the plaza now that has the food stores. So remember, Harbour View, one of the largest communities or neighborhoods you can find in Jamaica. And this plaza is also the main plaza you would come to before you get to the Southern Coastal Highway, which is going to run from Harbour View, where we are, to Portland. So just to give you an idea of how much traffic uses this area, they have two gas stations beside each other. That is how much traffic uses this area. And with the highway opening up in a few weeks, it's going to bring even more traffic. So we have videos up showing you the neighborhoods around Harbour View, a lot of residential homes. So we're going to the other side of the plaza now, where we will show you where the food stores are. So there's a pharmacy over here. Okay, one of the gas stations is on the right, the other one is straight ahead on the right, so you can see how close they are. Okay, on the left now is Tasty, on the right is KFC, and a Burger King recently opened up in this plaza, and there's also a Pizza Hut. So that's why this plaza does very well. It follows the formula to a T. And also, when you're going to or from the Norman Manley International Airport, this is the first plaza you will come to. Okay, the Burger King is on the right, but we're going to go this way so that you can get a better view of it. So it's straight ahead now is the Burger King. Just opened. Alright, so straight ahead now is one of the Harbour View neighborhoods. We have videos of touring these neighborhoods, so we're not going to do it today, but you can always check it out on the channel. So this plaza actually has 3 entrances. The one we just came out of, this one, and then there's going to be another one up by where the supermarket is being renovated. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.